Hi guys, this is Sarah from The Savvy Professor, and in today's video, we'll discuss why your car's engine keeps making a tickling or clicking noise and how to fix the issue. Let's dive directly into why your engine keeps making a tickling or clicking noise. Number 1. Low engine oil level. Number 2. Engine parts such as lifters, push rods, and rockers arms can wear out and cause ticking or clicking noises. Number 3. Malfunctioned or clogged fuel injectors. Number 4. Damaged timing belt. This is a serious issue that requires immediate attention, as it not only makes the engine produce a clicking noise but can cause severe engine damage. Number 5. Exhaust system issues. Now, let's look at the best solution you can apply to fix the issue. Check and refill the engine oil level. Check the oil level by pulling out the dipstick and wiping it clean. Insert the dipstick back in and pull it out again to see the oil level. If it's low, add more oil. Replace worn-out engine parts. If the tickling or clicking noise is caused by worn-out engine parts, they may need to be replaced. The best way to determine if your car's engine parts need a replacement is to take your vehicle to be inspected by a professional mechanic. He'll determine which parts need a replacement and which require repair. Check the fuel injectors. If the above ways don't fix the issue, it's time to inspect the fuel injectors and clean them if they're clogged or replace faulty ones. Get professional help. If the engine continues to make a clicking noise, take your car to a professional mechanic for the timing belt to be inspected and replaced if it's damaged. Lastly, you might also want to inspect your car's exhaust system to ensure all its components are working correctly. If you're uncomfortable performing the above steps or don't have the necessary tools or parts, take your car to a mechanic. Thanks for watching.